So today we are going to start chapter 4 of Alice in Wonderland. The chapter name is The White Rabbit's House. White Rabbit's House. In our previous chapter, we have learned that they had a caucus race. Yes. And there she saw a white rabbit again. Yes, children. And White Rabbit was asking her something. Let us see what the rabbit was asking Alice. So now, yes, chapter 4, The White Rabbit House. I'm going to share the screen with you, children. Listen carefully. Alice in Wonderland, chapter 4, The White Rabbit's House. You want to see the White Rabbit house? See how beautiful it is. The White Rabbit House. It is the house of White Rabbit. Okay. So now Alice was moving here. She was going. So the White Rabbit asked her. The White Rabbit thought her as Mary Ann. What it thought, beta? Mary Ann, A-double-N. Okay. So a rabbit called Mary Ann, come here. Where are you running? Run home at once and bring me soon white gloves and fan. See, the white rabbit was asking Alice to bring white gloves and fan. The rabbit thought Alice was a Mary Ann. She's not a Mary Ann, right, children? But he thought Mary Ann and he asked her to bring white gloves and fan from her room. From his room. So now Alice went to his room. You can see the next picture. She is in the house, White Rabbit's house. She is in the house. She is searching for fan and gloves. Finally, she gets the fan and gloves on the table. Alice soon found a small cottage with a sign over the door saying W Rabbit. Alice ran inside and straight up the stairs to the bedroom. There she found a small table. You can see a table in the picture with a fan and a pair of white gloves. Next to the gloves was a big bottle. You can see there is a bottle. Can you see? Yes, there is a bottle. There wasn't a label saying drink me. Nothing is there on it. Is there anything on the table, on the bottle that drink me? Anything is written? No, nothing is written on the bottle. Even though what Alice was thinking, oh, it is not written anything, but I am thirsty. I want to drink something. So Alice started drinking. She took the bottle and she started drinking. Tuck, 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 tuck. She drank it. And while drinking, she was thinking that whenever I eat here, whenever I drink here, something happens. Now I don't want to be small. She's very smaller, no? Yes. When she was fanning in a pool, she became very, very small, very little like an ant. Now she doesn't want to be very, very small. So she thought, if I drink this bottle, I may grow big. So she took the bottle and she drank and she was thinking that now I may grow big. So now she grew very, very big. How much big? See, the house is very, very small. And look at the Alice, how she came out of the house. Her arms came out, her legs. Look at her legs. Look at her hands and face. The house is very small now. It is very little. It is very, very small. Yes. And she grew very big, very big. Her arms came out and Rabbit was shouting, oh, 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 my house. What happened to it? See, look, it is going to big. I want to open the door. But rabbit cannot open the door because Alice back stopped it. Alice back stopped. He's pushing the door. He's pushing the door, but he cannot open the door. It's stopped. Yes, Alice back stopped. Now, what happened? What rabbit was thinking? Rabbit tried to open the door of the room, but he could not move it. Alice back stopped it. Alice heard him say, then I will go and get in the window. Oh no, you will not. Alice thought. Now he want to open the window, open the door, open the window, but he is unable to do. Alice is telling, no, you cannot do it. Now, next, Alice shouted, please help me, please help me. A lot of noise. And then she heard a rabbit. We must burn the house down. Oh, the house is unable to open. The door is unable to open. So rabbit was planning that I will burn the house. I will burn the house. What he's planning, beta? What is he planning? Are you able to hear me? Show me thumb if you are able to hear me. Okay. So what is he planning to do? He's planning to burn the house. Oh my God. If he burn the house, how? What is going to happen if he burn the house? Yes? Alice is there in that house, no children? Yes? Alice is also going to be burned. Oh God. So Alice was shouting, no, you cannot do this. You cannot burn the house. Stop, stop, stop. There was no answer from the little animals. She heard nothing at all for some time. Then they began to move about again. What will they do next? Alice is waiting. Alice is wondered, what are they going to do? Are they going to burn the house? Oh my God, somebody stop them. She was shouting. Some of them hit her hand and some of them came through the window and hit her face and her body before they fell on the floor. Alice looked at the stones on the floor. They all became little cakes. Now see, outside the house, she found some stones, small stones. And slowly, all the stones, changed into small pieces of cakes. And Alice thought, if I eat these cakes, I think I may grow small, I may become small. So if I eat one of these cakes, she thought, it will do something to me. It can't make me bigger, so it must make me smaller. So very quickly she took the cake. She ate one of the cakes. At once she began to get smaller. Now what happened? She began to get smaller. When she was so small that she could go through the door, she ran out of the house. Now she became small and she can come out of the door. So she ran out of the house. There were a lot of animals outside. So Alice ran quickly until she got to some trees. She ran and she went and hid back of the trees. You can see how in this picture you can see how rabbit is scared, no? When Alice grown very big, see rabbit is scared and he's running away. Next, now she becomes smaller and she came out. She saw a tree and she go and hid herself behind the tree. Oh, Alice said, stopping and using a piece of grass as a fan. I must grow bigger again. How can I do it? I must eat or drink something. But the question is what? Now she want to grow big again. She want to grow big. Till now she is very small. She ran out. She was hiding behind the tree. And now again she is planning to grow big. And she is thinking that if I want to grow big, I have to eat something. But what I have to eat? That was the question. Alice looked all around her at the flowers and the grass, but she could not see anything with eat me or drink me on it. There was a big mushroom growing near her. Suddenly she saw, suddenly she saw a big mushroom slowly it is growing. It was growing. She looked under it. She looked beside it. She looked at the back of it. Then she looked to see what was on top of it. She was wondering to see what is there with the mushroom. She looked under the mushroom. She looked beside the mushroom. She looked back of the mushroom. And she looked top of the mushroom. The mushroom was as big as she was, but she could just see over the top. She looked into the eyes of a big blue caterpillar. One big caterpillar is sitting on the mushroom. She could see only the mushroom there. And what she will do with the mushroom? Will she eat or will she talk to the caterpillar? Or what she will do? We will see in our next class. Okay? So children, tell me now, have you understood the story? Yes, the White Rabbit house. How was the White Rabbit house? It was very beautiful, no? Did you like the White Rabbit house? Yes, it is very beautiful. You want such a house? Will you like to have such a house? Yes, good, good. And why Rabbit was asking Alice to get gloves and fan for him? Why did he ask Alice? Because he thought Alice as Marianne. He thought Alice as a Mary Ann. And he was asking, Marianne, Marianne, go and get me gloves and fan. What happened when she went inside? What happened when she went inside? She saw gloves and a fan on the table and a bottle on the table. Did she drink that bottle? Did she? Yes, yes, she drank it. And what happened after drinking? What happened after drinking? Yes, see the Pathan, he is showing all the actions. Yes. Ah, she grew very big. Yes, very big. And Rabbit was happy that she grew big, or he was scared? He was scared. He was scared and he was thinking, oh my God, what is my house? See, look at my house. Alice's arms came out. Yes. And what was he planning for? He was planning to burn the house. He was planning to burn the house. Burn. Very good, very good. Yes. And what was Alice telling? Alice was feeling happy when Rabbit said, he's going to burn the house. Is he feeling happy? Is she feeling happy? No, she was shouting for the help. She was shouting for the help. Help, help. Don't do it, please. Yes, children. So, this